Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can download and install Zero Hour game on your PC. Guys, first you have to open up your any browser and just search for the Steam, and Steam website will appear on the top, so you just need to open it. Now click on the login option you are seeing on the right hand top, and here just log into your account, and if you don't have an account then create one. And then click on the install Steam option you are seeing on the top, and then here guys just download the Steam and install it into your PC. Then open up the Steam, then click on the top search box and just type here the game name, which is the Zero Hour. And once you type it, this game will appear on the top, so you just need to click on that. And now here in this page you just need to scroll down and you'll see the option of add to cart. So just click on the add to cart option, then click on the continue to payment and just pay with your PayPal or any other card you have. Then go to your Steam library, and on the left hand side you will find the game, which is the Zero Hour, and just click on the install. Once you pay the amount, now your game will be added to your Steam library. You can simply download and install it. And I hope guys this video is helpful for you, and if yes, please don't forget to like this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.